It's a bloody mess. The painting has caused me chaos. Obviously we won't be doing this, we'll get something to test bits on if we're messing around in the future. So, the wing is out of here. I'm going to tidy up, some bits sorted. But, part of this episode, I don't know if people want to see this stuff or not, let me know in the comments. So, you know, you might really not care or might be interested. I'm just going to do some bits today. I want to get this wall finished. But also I want to get the telly powered up, get the Xbox in here to run YouTube. I need some more socket points so I can charge my drills and everything else. So we're going to be running some sockets in here today, have a bit of a tidy up, clean this up. And then we actually are going to do some work on the Beetle. So that's where we're going to go with this episode. There's some other bits I might have in this episode if I get chances, like, so our Q7, we've noticed the carpets are getting wet in the passenger footwell. Well, first thing that's come up is the drain bungs that are blocked up in the arches, so we're going to check that out and pull them out. It's supposed to be quite an easy job, so yeah, just some silly stuff out, some maintenance. We're getting here tidied up because it's a bit of a mess. Get this out of the way, I need to get the other head in. And I think in this episode I'm going to talk to you guys about the Mark 1 Caddy, so I want to get that cracking, but now I'm in massive two minds after Steve putting silly ideas in my head. I've got the rotary engine outside, so do I pull the PD130 back out? You know, we're not far off done, needs a turbo, mess about with the wire and sort the mount out. So do we finish that and keep it, or do you think I should pull it all out, start again, and we do the RX-8 engine? So you have to, again, let me know in the comments where you want us to go with that one. So yeah, let's get some stuff sorted in here. They're at different heights. You might think that's weird, but you'll see once I get everything on the wall and stuff. So we're gonna, nothing's tripped so far. So in theory, I'll take you on this little journey. In theory, I should now good start. No, we'll start. Let me work this out and then redo it.
Right guys, as you can see, I have cleared out the garage a little bit. Vehicles come forward a bit. The race car is outside the door. I would show you, but it's a bit later when it's raining. The caddy's out the front. So I'm going to get the V5 gearbox in here. We'll start getting that stripped down. Basically all I need from that is the bell housing to put onto our box with the clove dipping. So yeah, I'll crack on with that. We'll get that started. Race car's outside, so hopefully I'll get some of the rubbish out that I've tidied up, some of the other crap, and then we can pull the VR engine in, strip it down, get the head off, cams in and all that stuff. So let's crack on.
It's been a few days since I started this episode, but I've been busy as fuck. Steven is back. Fucking fuel everywhere. Had a bit of a tidy up. Oh shit, a bit of racking in the background, so some things are tidy. But today, finally, we'll pull this out, some race car stuff, get the engine out, and then we can get it. Well, we're going to start stripping it down, get heads off, get it on the engine stand, because we need to do the rods, cams, those a little bit. So yeah, I'll put a time lapse on that. I've still got the gearbox to do. I'm a little bit pissed off with it the other night, so still got that to finish. I'll try and get some stuff done this week, but I'm stacked out at work. But shortly, towards the end of the episode, I'll show you something cool that we have bought for the race car. So yeah, let's get cracking with the engine. Just a little update, guys. The camera died, so stopped time lapsing. But we got no pistons, do we? Do we? So we got the pistons out. We're gonna get the rods changed. These bad boys we got nice and cheap. Let's get these done, and then after that, I've got some shit on the list that we already need to start ordering. So. Need to see if we can blank off the EGR, chain and tensioner, water pump, service kit, oil pump, potentially new sensors, and then obviously as we go through we'll make a list I don't know if I get any time this week for the head, but I'd like to get the head stripped off. Well, the cam stripped out, get the new cams in. Give it a clean up, potentially paint the block, get the other bits fitted. They're over there. And then go from there really. So yeah, we'll just continue cracking on. Hopefully we can get it together in the next couple of weeks. It's going to be a bit of a mad rush now. And I need the auto electrician to do his bits. So hopefully we'll have some progress. For some reason my camera stopped recording on its own. But yeah, hopefully we'll get some progress on the electrics. And then I'll get the rest of this torn down just so we can nick the bell housing for our box and then get it back together. So Steve's been a massive help today. So he's been blessed in that, yeah. Garage is a bit more tight, some more shelving up. A few bits need to get rid of and sold. Get the mad wheels on the Beetle sorted out. Another job for Stephen. You love jobs, don't you, Stephen?
No, I really don't. I'm trying to do my own shit. Nearly, I'm doing yours.
What are friends for, eh? Right guys, I'll leave it at that. I'll probably get some time lapses getting the new ones in, but we'll probably maybe see if we can get some of these rods swapped over tonight. But they won't be going in today because I need to order a what's the tool called?
I know, a tool for getting the
Tool.
springs out of the pigeon pole.
Yeah, and we also need a
Piston ring.
piston ring compressor. That's the Badger. So yeah, we'll go from there.